Hello everyone, so this is my restored 1980 Peugeot PB12, and not only I had an absolute blast, but I think it came out looking fantastic. You tell me what you think. As a side note, for those of you who are thinking about restoring an old bicycle, here are my 6 takeaways based on this project. 1, it's a lot more work than I thought. It requires a lot of elbow grease. So if you're going to do this, make sure you have both the time and the desire. 2, if it does require time and patience, for sure, by the same tokens, it's fairly easy to do. Thank you, YouTube, and thank you all content creators for all the great instructional video. Without you, I don't think I would have been able to do it. 3, it's a lot of fun, and I must say there is something really gratifying about taking an old worthy object in a state of disrepair and bringing it back to life. 4, you will learn a lot about bicycle mechanic. I can tell you, I certainly did. 5, it's an affordable hobby. It's not like automobile restoration, for instance, where you can spend enormous amount of money. 6, eBay is incredible when it comes to finding all unobtainium spare parts. But when I started restoring this bike, what really concerned me the most was actually not the restoration itself, but how it would ride. Was its steel frame, straight pull brakes, friction shifters, 12-speed, particularly considering that I'm coming from a 2020 BMC team machine with carbon frame, disc brakes, electronic shifting, 24 speeds. The two bikes are pretty far apart from a technological standpoint. Well, I can't believe how much fun I am having riding this bike. Yes, it's heavy. Yes, the straight pull brakes are a bit scary. Yes, it wants to blow up your knees every time you go up a long, steep hill. But it's also a lot faster than I had imagined. It's surprisingly very comfortable. The shifting is super smooth. The cool factor is off the chart, and I love it. You know, when the little kids stop in their tracks to give me compliments and adult pause to take pictures of my bike with themselves. So here you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. So that's it. We're done with this bike. There is nothing left to do besides riding it and enjoying it, which I definitely plan on doing. So until my next video, bye everyone, be well.